Hello, my name is Ayush. I'm a final year dental student at the University of Dundee, and in this video I'll be going over my summer experience, which was my elective in India and the Philippines. Just before I start this video, I'm going to quickly explain what electives are. Electives are a time where you're allowed to explore different types of dentistry all around the world. At Dundee Dental Hospital, this time is after your 4th year exams and before your 5th year starts. I decided to do 2 weeks in India and 2 weeks in the Philippines, and in the middle I decided to travel in Singapore as well. For my first 2 weeks I went to India and it was very hands-on and it was very active. I started off by observing a private dentist in India and moved on to observing public dentists just so I understand what sort of dentistry goes on in a country such as India. I also explored some composite dentistry and some root canals. A benefit of going to India was that I got a different outlook of dentistry. In India, most dental services are privatized, where the patient would pay for their treatment, whereas in the UK, you have the NHS, which is the National Healthcare System. Along with this, I learned about the different types of materials that they use in dentistry. I learned about the different techniques that they use and the different ways that they interact with patients. I have been to India before, but I'd never seen the dental side of things. So it was a very transformative and very informative journey for me because I learned from a lot of experts in dentistry. Along with this, I did some traveling as well, met up with some friends and family members in India, which was always fantastic. After this, I went for a couple of days in Singapore, which was an amazing experience because I'd never seen the country before. And after I'd wrapped up my traveling, I went to the Philippines for the very first time with 7 other dental colleagues from Dundee Dental Hospital. We traveled to Roha City to meet up with a company called Electives Asia, where we conducted our elective program for 2 more weeks. It was an amazing experience. Every day was something completely new. We met a lot of the head dentists in Philippines in Roha City and we learned from their skills and we learned through their experience how to improve on our own skills in dentistry. In the Philippines, we worked mainly in the public dental sector and we worked to serve the local communities in and around Roha City. Along with this, we also did some traveling of Roha City and Panay Islands, which was amazing. With this being said, why should you consider an elective experience? The elective period is a unique experience where you're still working and learning, but you're also traveling with some of your most closest friends from university. It's a time where you can relax, you can learn, you can do all sorts of things if you feel like it. At the University of Dundee Dental School, there are numerous options to choose from, so you've got something in there for everyone. It's self-funded and it's self-led, which means you are the boss of your own elective. It's an opportunity like no other and it should not be missed.